To be as free as possible, alright? Hands up like this. Hey, hey, just like that.
Everything I need in my environment. Can't see it. Things to say the line is made.
Hold up.
A rainbow with a pot of gold. You reminded me my angle changes how it glow. Embrace it all and taste it all before we go. It's for the show. Once we open the door, it's a part of a show. That's my halo. Hey, I ain't tripping. If you ain't tripping, we can do this all the time. Do you remember what I remember? We can keep it all aligned. My Elixir, the perfect kisser. I can't wait to see you smile. Do you remember what I remember? Dip into your atmosphere and kiss the sun. Trippy ones, the cunt. Everlasting, feeling so lost. Any types that I brought, I like this whirlwind. My life got new beginnings, broke them old mirrors. Feeling superstitious, polar opposite, like confidence ain't leading road. Can't be held within the aura just to feed the soul. The spirit got your next move, don't need rescue. I'm right here too. Open your mind, your time is tick, tick, tick. No miss, relax. And follow the signs, made blessed by the master. Never had, but I'm floating like Casper. Spirit in the flesh, everything's possible. Raised with the monsters, we raise up their conscience. That's God saying, hey, one hand, I ain't tripping. If you ain't tripping, we can do this all the time. Do you remember what I remember? We can keep it all alive. My Elixir, the perfect kisser. I can't wait to see you smile. Do you remember what I remember? Hey, make some noise one time for yourself. One of our mics is a little bit high. Yes. But again, man, we are always here to understand there's a lot of stuff going crazy out here, so we gotta make sure that we stand and 10 toes on what we believe in. So before we leave this stage, can we say fuck ICE? Man, there's a lot of crazy shit going on in this world right now. We want to make sure that we again stand 10 toes on what we believe in. Ain't nobody illegal on this whole thing. Give it up one more time for our DJ Silver. Hey, okay. Y'all mind if we take y'all back a little bit? If you've never had a Mother Nature experience, I mean, we got a lot for you. I've been waiting on you all day. I ain't got no words to say. I've been waiting on you all day. I ain't got no words to say. I've been waiting
Whoa.
with the lip. They don't know what I see through my eye. Falling up there for the sports I allow. Calming those voices with pain in my heart. Practice my theory, the surface won't stop. Pushing it, I put up in the Cadillac. Diamond in the bag. Crushing in the session for the young gas. Crushing in the blessing, I didn't know it at. In the session, you might notice that. Pushing it, I put up in the Cadillac. Diamond in the bag. Crushing in the session for the young gas. Crushing in the blessing, I didn't know it at. In the session, be my color set. We appreciate y'all. Tell me what you need, yeah, I got it. Where you wanna go, I'll be the pilot. Yeah, we fall in love when you flying. Only way is up was the science where God gave you gravity to ask you to define it. We talking infinite, right? I wanna see your sensitive side. We can ride in silence. Hot beat always boom back when we vibing. Lay your little eyes, the eyes, no eye.
Let's lie, look at the other side. Rainbow, be my tools for colorblind. I rhyme to bring on light to sunset for me. He is living in God's cipher. Hold your window and you do thirds. And so don't create, better watch your words. The soul ain't brave and the truth might burn. It's better who you are, you just wait your turn. That's love. Yeah.
Hey, no bad GPS with the navigation. Zodiac sign trying to pick a destination. Everything is time is manifestation. Everything you got in the image you made it. And go with breathe and flow with ease. Above the head, below the feet, and faith that leads you. This your time to heaven on a day. I ain't gotta gotta see the lessons. Am I crazy?
The conscience they call destruction, believe in suffering when it all was busting. Let me breathe. Encapsulate the faith between my stupid pearly gates. I ran through fake ranks, drink with great names. Pace to maintain your ace is no king. Every shuffle, diamonds in the rubble. Suits my recruit, just know that the Lord loves you.
Make some noise for DMX, y'all.
That's something new to me. So asking you time to adjust. Did we make it there? How will we want you to trust?
Man, if y'all was here earlier for the panel, I want y'all to just give a huge round of applause for Krannert, campus culture, all of the amazing work I think the music that we play, if you are able to catch the lyrics and catch the gist of what we're saying, it really helps to, I guess, just emphasize what we talked about on stage. You know, our music is for healing, it's directly from God, and it has so much potential to also heal the world. So this next one we got for y'all is called Antidote. Rolling through the city looking for the antidote. Rolling through the city looking for the antidote. Call it dope, man. I hope he open. I need a dose. I wanna go.
All negativity start with me. All in my mind, but I don't believe. Don't know my words, so I don't believe. A painted facade and it's not even dream. This is stories I told as psychiatrist. Shaking my shoes and it makes sense. Lighting my blessing, neglecting my essence. My system stresses, he's with my direction. I'm before it all. Put your star, make it a
stage, if you haven't noticed, we have our girl Kim on trumpet.
And we got our boy Lawrence on that young saxophone.
Yeah, and shout out to them. We was able to bring this together in under 24 hours. So, shout out to hip hop. Shout out to musicianship. Shout out to Sam. That's our boy Sam Trumpet. Yeah.
Tell me what you really
Oh, no.
to get hit the stress and it's nothing. Baby, if you move how you want.
Y'all ready for this?
I heard the voice of God when I opened my mouth. Couldn't help but tell a lie. That's the power of doubt versus what I felt inside. Brought the cowardice out. I'm mad at the world, but I'm proud of myself. It's revolution of the mind, generational wealth. Hope we pull it off in time. Every day is a tell. Waiting in hell, breaking the spell. Faces is pale, more black men in jail than the nation can fail. Some days I just chill. I never knew a Sabbath, but the energy and passion can imagine in that show. This is healing for your happiness, your feminine, your masculine, symmetry, spectacular.
A party in the cloud, it ain't charging feet. It's a witness that had a sip for the stars. Then dip for the ocean, only speaking so loud. We so far, but we know nature's magic. The tragedy of life got me labeled a bastard, but this passport really helped me go to the madness. Christmas every Eve, but she's put me in glasses. It's the only thing I rock now. We can put the stop there. I ain't so deep, so hostile. The revolution started with the revelation. Take no time to take time when you sing the latest. It's ventilation. We sitting patient. We took the train and feel amazing. We might be spiritual, but I'm just it's entertainment. My nigga cool, taking brush strokes from the stadium now. Break sky, check the map, boy, got it, this nigga out. So if y'all agree, when you give energy, you want that energy back, right? Say I should. When you give energy, you want the energy back. Say I should. So if you can, if you able, I need you on your feet.
Moments like these turn the air into a breeze. Moments like these turn the world. Moments like these, yeah. Moments like these turn the love into a sea. Baby, my proudest moments be nothing without you. The loneliest month, my time is only this once, so I don't ever give up. No pilot, we drove with the trunk, full of the holiest son. Still in the pony, and my complexion still golden. Taking direction from home, this guy gave me voted a hunch. Been feeling pressure for months, and healing vessels for years. With messages in their ears, and residents in their fears, but now we switching the gears. That's how the universe is.
More than my altar, I'm sanctified. Knees to the ground when I can't decide. Silence in a room. This message got some power. I give you you didn't think I found my balance.
Nigga, take me in my nature. I don't fear no challenge. Send my stories on a journey. I'm a world traveler.
All for goodness, round me something crazy. Learning to sing to watch the market.
Mother Nature, we a few more for y'all, if that's all right.
That's all right.
That's all right, y'all. This next one's called meditation. If you know anything about that, let's get it.
See that world circulating, God is working late. Now we elevate, so keep that meditation. See that love circulating, God is working late. Now we elevate, so keep that meditation. Love circulating, God is working late. Now we elevate, so keep that meditation. See that love circulating, God is working late. Now we elevate, so keep that meditation.
Circulating in the madness, cutting corners with the captain.
Who was that? Who was
I
that?
don't need no more distractions. Meditate, then we put it in action. It don't make sense to just bury my spirit, my time ticking. Gotta redo with my mind tripping. Limit exposure to side business. I witness my wisdom with prime vision. Kinship, talk to the tribe when I'm listeners. I pitch it. Thank the Lord for the respect. I need this. Did I mention? Meditation come in several flavors. So a ball player don't be managed. And I have a toolbar from my ticket. Thank you. I don't care. I'm
Big bang, blue face.
See that love circulating, God is working late. Now we elevate, keep that meditation. Love circulating, God is working late. Now we elevate, so keep that meditation. Love circulating, God is working late. Now we elevate, keep that meditation. Love circulating, God is working late. Now we elevate, so keep that meditation.
I'm feeling it is sparking, I'm feeling the thought. In my pocket, we need some millions, artillery, trigger, in the zone. What we gonna do for you? My tutorial, use too loyal, oh God. Let it go, put it down, put it down, bring it up, pick it up, jig it up, get it back, put it up. I'm gonna need some balance, cheese in my palace. We like Caesar's mine, we like easy, no salad. I can't sleep on these talents. You gotta talk to it, no fear. What is a dollar? We got hard home in the rear. We need them dollars, I need a new money count. What? We don't need a new money count. The validation is not big thing. Blue face, honey, the commas, I need a new money count. We need a new money count. The validation is number. Blue face, honey, the commas. See the love circulating, God is circulating. Now we elevate. Y'all should know about y'all.
Meditate, see that
Mother Nature. Make sure that y'all follow us at Mother Nature Bars with a Z. That's Mother Nature Bars with a Z. Let me see how lit that is. Let's do it. So what we gonna do? Y'all just heard what I said, right? Right? So when I say mother, you say nature. When I say bars, you say with a Z. Mother Nature Bars with a Z. Mother Nature Bars with a Z. Okay.
As y'all know, man, we so delighted to be here. This is our alma mater. Like, shout out to you, Abide. Thank y'all for being here.
Still trying to find my safety, bring light to the gift y'all gave me. No more dark rooms, still in development. Snatched out the mask where my dog still wrestling. Cheers with my cheer, for my cheating on my checkbook. Lost in the money talk, cheating on my best looks. My mom's sorry, just know that I need ya. I was all playing balls, trying to follow procedure. And big bro, I know, hopes get high and fears heavy, but holding on, only gonna push the contrary to my twin. Look, bro, used to be my shadow. Last time we spoke, can't believe that young boy turned into a man. We don't talk every day, but I do everything I can. Holy Spirit on my shoulder, we actually got a plan. I ain't no play, but everything is in my hand. Thank God for the thinkers. My homies, my brothers, my sisters, my ones and my homies. Thank God for the thinkers. My partners that push me. Pray for our present, now look where it took me. I'm thankful. I'm thankful.
I done cried 365 days and counting water fountains. So many tears of joy, emotions fill the voids. I can feel my thoughts, but I can't feel the noise. Got troubles in my heart, yeah, I feel heavy, Lord. It's hard to be all you made to me when we was all alone. The intimacy I belong, the type of shit that I've been on. I'm grown now, a lot of love received and shown. I perform now. I got collective new perspectives and we all grounded. I got a man, I got a baby in a compound. I miss my fam, I miss my radio, my hometown. They get this land, they complain. I was made for mountains. Shots to Cheyenne and leave a damn we over heads and houses under heaven. It gets lighter, but the world surrounds me. See how it feels. I got Ephesian shields, spit bars just to measure how my agreements is healed. I kneel, I done cried 365 is a count. So many tears of joy, emotions fill the voids. Emotions fill the voids.
As y'all leave out here tonight, make sure that you remember the obstacle can only be defeated with your belief. You gotta know that you are able to overcome any obstacle, any blockade, anything that is standing in your way when it comes to the goals that you got for yourself. If y'all believe that, make some noise for yourself one time. Make some noise one more time like DJ, good boy. Make a little bit more noise for our horn section one more time. We got one more. Y'all got energy for one more? Y'all got energy for one more?
I mean, he was on his knees just begging and pleading.
of hip hop can be. Thank you, University of Illinois. We love y'all.
And that's Mother Answer for you. What you think, man?
That was great.
Come on from the OG yourself.